This is our 2018, I guess, Samsung Flex Zone 4-door, 22 cubic feet. So you can see, it was just delivered today. Delivery guys just left. Here you have the touchscreen for Samsung that lights up. You have these little things to put things. I guess this is the restaurant, fast food restaurant ketchup and sauce packet drawer or whatever, cubby. There's a pretty decent room in here. This folds up like that for space. Alright, this is the, once again, the RF22K9381SR. Alright, sorry. Okay, and this side right here, you can fold down. Boom. Just push back on this if you need some space right here for tall things, or you can even fold it back to get more space right here. Yes, you lose this shelf, but sometimes it's a sacrifice you're willing to do. This is the showcase. You can actually fit 2 of these gallons in here. Boom, right there. And here you go. These drawers roll out. Okay, boom, from here you can pull it out a little bit. And there you go. Boom. This is the Flex Zone, but we're trying to get into a freezer. Wine rack, pull out drawer. You have your little side things right here, and this pulls out like that, and then this would be the actual freezer itself. Another pull out drawer, 2 and 3, and that's pretty much it. Thank you. Have a good day.